Hi, Steffi here from The Makers, and I'm going to show you how to make the stand that the Dolphin is connected to. So it's all made from the wire that you find inside your subscription box, and this is the Dolphin number 62, July 2022. And the wire is the 2mm aluminium wire. It's a bare wire, but because we are just molding the stand out of this, that's all I'm going to show you right now. For this you do need a tape measure. If you haven't got a tape measure, remember you can use the side of our instruction sheet where the measurements are on there as well, which is exactly what I'm going to do. To do this, I will go to the overview camera. So you've got your wire here, and I'm measuring 30 centimeters along. I know that a page is 30 centimeters long, so that's exactly what I'm doing. So from here to the top of the page, I'm measuring 30 centimeters. I'm going to bend this in. So I've now got, this is going to be my Dolphin on this length. This is the bit that I've just bent in, which will become the stand. So I've got to bend this up, and I'm going to bend the wire forward by 5 centimeters, which it already has happened. So I'm going to put the instructions out of the way. So I've got the wire that's going up towards you, and then I've got this end here, which needs to be about 5 centimeters. So I'm going to have that ready, and then I'm going to make a gentle slope. So I'm going round because I'm going to go about now make a loop going backwards. So this is my loop going back now. You also have a really useful, it's already standing, you've got a really useful template here at the back where every step is color coded. So the first step, that 30 centimeter wire, then you've got your 5 centimeters and looping back, that's the second step, and then the third step, which we're coming to now, is the purple line. And here you go, so you go back round, and then you're going back around yourself like this. So there is about repeat the same loop again, but this time go forward about 18 to 20 centimeters. I'm just trying to get the colors. So oh yes, that's right. It is actually a lot easier than when you're trying to refer back to the different colors. We've done that, now we're going to the next one. So now you're going forward. It is once you've got that bit with the wire sticking out, then this one is almost like a snail, where you're going forward, then back on yourself, and then wrap back round the front again and back on yourself again. I think it's just easiest to do it this way. So you can stick to the exact measurements, or you can just make it fit so that you've got a wire sticking out at the top of a snail. Basically, it's as simple as that. So the wire sticks out now, and now all you need to do is secure this wire here around the back by twisting it around and secure it. You can use your pliers to make it a bit more stable, and you've got all the scope to still twist any of these wires around to make them longer, fatter, whatever. So I think that is probably the easiest way to explain it. And I'm going to do this all again without the instructions, without looking at the instructions, because it might be much easier. If you're watching this, you're watching it for a reason. So you bend your wire in at 30 centimeters. This bit is going to become the Dolphin. Bend it in so at a right angle, so it's sticking up, it's right sticking up towards me now. Take your wire round. Oh dear, caught again. So take your wire round from the angle that it's sticking forward. Take it round, so it's a very long wire, it gets in the way. So be mindful of that, it does get in the way. Round itself, forward again, make a bigger loop around the little loop like this. And then all you need to do is secure this wire at the end. use your wire, your pliers to make a real nice, tight, secure finish there. And then you can still shape the wire how you want it to be. It's almost like you've created a foot with a leg sticking up, but you've got a like a double security here. So you've got a bigger loop and a smaller loop, and that makes it nice and firm. And then you're going to start wrapping the wool around it. Hopefully this has made it easier and not more complicated, but it is a really good way to make a nice solid base, and this is what it looks like. So you've got your dolphin will be sticking out here at the front, and you curve that in later, and that will become sort of almost like a bit of a counterbalance as well to the longer foot here. So it is a good solid, even when the dolphin is a little bit bigger, it's still a really solid construction. It feels like you can bend him easily, but it actually really holds its weight really nicely. Hope this has been helpful, and I can't wait to see all your jumping dolphins jumping out of the ocean onto our Facebook group, Everyone a Maker. Or if you're tagging us on social media, remember it's at The Makers on Instagram and at themakers.co.uk on Facebook. See you soon. Bye.